making it out again today. Unfortunately, today's planned ride, only half the group is able to make it, so we are just gonna kind of wing it. Amir was able to make it today. We are going to go to a spot that I've actually never been to yet, even though I've ridden all around it, just not actually to it, which is Broom's Island. I am excited to see what we get and see if we find anything there.
Longer than a few minutes later.
It is really pretty down here. Oh, that sucks. Race car. Feel like I'm not gonna find a little beach, unfortunately. So checking Google Maps a few days ago, I thought we were going to be able to get over there, but obviously signs are telling us not to. So this is the first time that either of us have been down here, and potentially will be the last. There's not too much to do down here, but it was a nice ride. So we just grabbed some drinks at a little mom and pop shop to get hydrated, but I think I'm going to take him to a little Outlook, which I absolutely love. If you guys have been following this channel for a while, you will know where I'm talking about. Here we are, Dares Beach, probably my favorite spot that I've ever found. For those of you who have not seen this spot before, it is a parking lot that literally falls right off onto a beach, and then you have the bay. A lovely intoxicated older lady really wanted Amir, doing the nice thing of not nice spot. First time I've ever had that happen, and now I know the car to avoid if I see it there. I really want to get one of these trucks. Alright, so we have made it to Chesapeake Beach. This is my favorite spot here. Needed to get a little bit of space and make you guys an outro. Was not expecting that at the other spot. Anyhow, another waterfront spot to close this one out. Don't exactly know how it's going to be because completely just winging it for today. Venturing to a new spot, wasn't super thrilled with it, but came back to some oldies that you guys haven't seen for a while. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, as well as if you think that Amir should go back there, leave them down below, and subscribe. See where we go next time.